Today let us learn to make a very simple, instant, easy to prepare rasam recipe. I have used buttermilk, besan and tomato as the main ingredients in this recipe. Hi everyone, welcome back to Ambika Shetty's kitchen. So to prepare this recipe, I have taken 2 tomatoes roughly chopped and added to mixie jar. Also I have added 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. I've already shared the recipe for rasam powder. We need to grind it into a very fine paste. Tomato, rasam powder and turmeric powder paste. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour. We need to dry roast it on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes just until the raw smell goes away. Besan is roasted well. We'll transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now to this we are going to add little curd. We'll altogether take 1 cup of fresh curd, but we'll add it little at a time because we need to mix it well with the besan and there shouldn't be any lumps. So once we whisk it well, once it gets a creamy texture, then we are going to add the remaining curd and we'll mix it again to get a creamy mix of besan and curd. Once this is ready, we are going to add 2 cups of water. While boiling the rasam, because of the besan, rasam might get a thick consistency at that time. If required, you can add more water. We have mixed it well. Now in a kadai, we will take 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. You can use any other oil also. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, then curry leaves, 1 dry red chili, broken dry red chili and 1/4 teaspoon of hing. We'll roast them well and then we'll add the tomato paste, raw tomato paste that we have prepared. We'll add this and then we'll mix it well. Now we need to cook it until the raw smell of tomato goes away, around 4 minutes on low to medium flame. This is cooked well. Now we are going to add the buttermilk mixture, that is curd and besan mixture. So after adding buttermilk, we'll stir it well. And now we are going to add salt as per taste. I've added 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're again going to stir it well. It's a very simple rasam. Tastes very well with hot steaming rice. You can as well drink it like soup. After adding buttermilk, I have boiled the rasam for about 10 minutes on low to medium flame, but we need to keep stirring it in between because since we have added besan, it might get a thick consistency sometimes, so you need to keep checking. At the end, I have added little finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. We'll stir it again and our very tasty instant buttermilk rasam is ready to serve with rice. Please do give it a try. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe, simple recipe. You take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.